In this video, I am going to show you how to disable auto jump in Roblox mobile. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Unfortunately, you cannot disable auto jump as a player. As a Roblox player, there is no in-game setting to disable auto jump on mobile device as of now. This feature is built into the game engine to improve gameplay experience on touchscreens. But as of now, this is not the official feature of Roblox mobile. But as of now, this is not the official feature of Roblox mobile. If you want to disable the auto jump in Roblox mobile on your Android or iOS device, you need to wait for a time. So the developers of Roblox game will launch this feature for the mobile app. But as of now, this feature is not available on Roblox mobile. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.